Hello everybody. Now I will explain you chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 13.8 part 2. In part 2 I will explain from question number 6 to 10, okay, with an assignment of 4 questions. Now first question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, this is the inner radius is 1 meter and its thickness is 1 centimeter. So, okay. Then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. This is the volume of iron. Inside is the gap. Inner radius R1 is equal to 1 meter. Outer radius is R2, that is 1 meter plus 1 centimeter, that is 1 plus 0.01 meter, that is equal to 1.01 meter. Okay. So volume of iron used to make the tank, that is 2 upon 3 pi R2 cube minus R1 cube. It is the formula. So now substitute here is the value of R2 and R1, that is 2 upon 3 pi R2 cube minus R1 cube. By calculation it is coming as, okay, it is coming as 0.06348 meter cube approximately. Okay. Next question is question number 7. Find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter. Surface area of the sphere has given. You have to find the volume inside. It's okay. Space. So surface area 154 centimeter square. Formula is 4 pi r square is equal 154. So r square is equal 154 upon 4 pi. That is equal to under root 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2, as 7 into 7 upon 4 means 2 into 2. So that is 7 upon 2 centimeter. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is equal to 539 upon 3 is equal to 157 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter cube. Next question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome and the volume of the air in the inside the dome. Now total cost has given. Total cost of whitewashing is rupees 498.96 and rate of cost is rupees 2 per meter square. Okay. Inside surface area of the dome, that is equal to total cost upon rate of cost. It is the formula. So total cost upon rate of cost, this is by calculation 249.48 meter square. Okay. Now volume of air inside the dome, that is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now we have to find out r. This is the surface area. So 2 pi r square is equal to this surface area. R square is equal to 2 pi will be at the denominator. This is now calculation. It is coming 39.69. It is r square. Okay, it is r square. So r is equal to 6.3 meter. As we have got r, now substitute the value of pi and r here. Pi r cube. So it is 523.9 meter cube. It is the volume of inside of the dome. Question number 9. 27 solid iron sphere, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface areas s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere. 27 solid iron sphere melted and recast the another big sphere. So, okay. So for that, volume of the one small sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r square, r is the radius, and volume of the one big sphere or new sphere, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that is the radius of the big sphere. 27 small sphere is equal to the volume of big sphere. So 27 into this equal to this 4 upon 3 pi r, 4 upon 3 pi. So okay, 4 upon 3 pi, 4 upon 3 pi will cancel. 27 r cube is equal to r dash cube. Now 3r, it is 3r whole cube. So 3r is equal to r dash. So hence r dash is equal to 3 times of small r, small radius of the small sphere. Okay. Now second part of this question, surface area of the small sphere is 4 pi r square, that is S. S is equal to 4 pi r square, and S dash, it is the surface area of big sphere, that is the 4 pi r square, r dash square. Now ratio of, second part has asked ratio of surface area of two sphere. So that is the S and S dash is equal, ratio of S and S dash is equal to 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r dash square. Okay, that is 4 pi cancel, r square upon r dash square, and we have got in first part of this question r dash equal 3r. Now put the value of r dash, it is 3r. So r square upon 3r square, this r square should be cancelled, 1 upon 9. So it is 1:9. So ratio of surface area of two sphere is equal to 1:9. Last question is question number 10. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 millimeter. How much medicine in millimeter cube is needed to fill this capsule? Diameter has given 3.5 millimeter. So radius is half of it. So it is 35 upon 20. So 7 upon 4 millimeter. So volume of medicine, it is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now put the value 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Calculated 539 upon 24. It is equal to 22.46 millimeter cube. So okay, approximately this is the volume of the medicine. After this question, I have given 4 questions as assignment. In every question I have given a relation between the, suppose in the first question, relation between, it is the radius of the sphere, a marble of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into a cylindrical beaker. So relation between sphere and cylinder. Okay. Cylindrical beaker of diameter 14 centimeter containing some water. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeter. Second is a solid sphere made up of the same metal of radius 3 centimeter is melted and recast into 3 smaller spherical balls. The radii of 2 of these balls are 1.5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Find the radius of the third ball. Question number 3. A solid metallic sphere of diameter 21 centimeter is melted and recasted into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 7 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. Find the number of cones so formed. Okay. Here relation is sphere and cones. So okay. Volume of sphere is equal to n into volume of cone. So you have to find out the n. Next question is that the radii of the internal and the external surface of a metallic spherical shell are 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively if the it is melted and recast into a solid right circular cylinder of height 10 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, answer I have given. Thank you very much.